anda ei kindeni. Director mar chenro mag thieth Dr. Patrick Amoth wacho ni pod girango matut lokruoge e kwanno kendo gibiro kawo okang' mawinjore. Amoth oloso e kinde ma kwan ji ma ogamo midhusi mar korona ochopo 37 ka kwan ji ma opim e seche 24 gin 407.
The numbers that you have seen are mainly people who need COVID-19 certificate for travel purposes or those who are clinically presenting with features that resemble COVID-19. So that may not be representative of the general population, and therefore it is not fair to be able to describe those statistics as representing what is happening at the community level. If you look at the number of people who are admitted, I think it stands at 16 throughout the country. There's nobody in critical care unit, but that does not mean that we don't take the necessary precautions. And of course, vaccines have been available from early this year. And we urge those who have not been vaccinated to report to healthcare facilities and get their vaccines so that they are protected.